That baby.
I want my daddy.
Oh no, it hurts me, baby, when you cry like that. It hurts mommy when you cry
I
like
want my daddy.
I know you want your daddy, baby. There he is. There's Nitro. Nitro! Hey, buddy! Hey! Hey, baby boy! Hey! Come here. Daddy got chocolate. Yeah, Daddy got chocolate. Hey. Oh, they're gonna get a picture, Nitro. Give me the angry face.
Nitro, Daddy's home.
Daddy's home.
Daddy got a big dinosaur.
Yeah, Daddy got a big dinosaur for you and some chocolates. Hey, gonna eat the chocolates? Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Are you happy? I told you 14.
You happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Yay, baby boy's happy. Daddy's home.
Airplane and the small airplane.
You saw Daddy on the big airplane and the small airplane?
Yeah.
Yeah, Daddy flew on the airplane. Hey, we will fly on the airplane as well. You want to go on the airplane?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can go to Australia. It'll be fun, hey?
Daddy.
Yeah?
You go.
Huh?
Daddy.
What?
I love you.
I love you too.
Daddy.
I love you too, baby Nitro. Alright guys, we're going to go home now. Tara na. Nitro, we're gonna go home and you have the chocolates and the dinosaur. Hey. And Mama is here putting the luggage in. Ayun. So mag-adjust na ako. Maninibago na ako. Kasi sa Australia, nag-drive sila sa left side of the road. Dito, right side naman. Or actually, it's Leyte. They drive on every side of the road. Alright guys, so the time is mga 6 p.m. dito sa Leyte, Tacloban. Pauwi na kami sa Carigara. It takes about 1 hour to get home. Tapos kanina, pumunta ako sa Terminal 3, pero yun pala Terminal 4 yung dapat kong pinuntahan. So naglakad ako, pupunta dun sa Terminal 4, pero sabi ko, malate na ako. Tapos biglang may taxi nag-stop sa akin. What's that, Night? The smell? That's chicken. That's chicken smell. Biglang may taxi driver tumawag sa akin. Sabi niya, sakay na. Sabi ko, wala akong pera. Sabi niya, saan ka pupunta? Sabi ko, Terminal 4. Sabi niya, sige, kahit libre na lang. Sabi ko, huh? Guys, tinulungan talaga ako ni Kuya Antonio. Naglakad ako kanina, pupuntang Terminal 4. Kasi mali yung napuntahan kong terminal. Wala akong dalang pera. And then, nakita niya ako, nagpasakay siya ng libre. So, yan, maraming salamat Antonio. So, we're gonna help him out. Pag uwi ko, we're gonna help him out. Kasi mabait siya. Antonio, thank you. Salamat. Ingat. Pinasakay ako. And then I told him, grabe, maraming salamat, Kuya. Kasi desperate ako noon. What is that? That is a clouds. Clouds. Yeah, the clouds. No, nagpapansin lang siya. Okay, nag-stop muna kami sa Robinsons kasi mag-withdraw kami ng pera. Diba, baby Nitro? Yes. Nitro is very hyper today kasi excited siya na nakabalik ako. What are you doing? Are you doing the mapriso ka?
Mapriso ka. Sige.
Dancing Nitro, dancing! Woohoo! Yay! Oh, look! It's your dinosaur toy! Woohoo!
It's gonna work. It's gonna walk.
We gotta put some.
He said it's gonna walk.
Yeah, it's gonna walk. We gotta put some batteries in it. Yeah, we got no batteries.
Where's the sponge?
The sponges, yeah, I think they're here. In this one. There they are.
Oh yeah,
Sponges. That's all you wanted from Australia. And then the pawpaw. I think that's it.
Thanks, Mom. Thanks, Mom.
Oh, and your Sephora. Look,
Mom,
Sephora, the black bag. There you
Mom
go.
got me lots of pawpaw.
Sana all.
Thank you, Mom. Yes, and I've got pangkilay because kilay is life
Yay.
from Sephora.
Mommy.
Nitro, look at all this chocolate. Whoa, all the Australian chocolate.
Daddy.
It's a pineapples. Whoa.
Daddy, I
Yeah.
don't like that.
You don't like it? Oh.
I want something.
You like this one?
Yes.
Yes.
Daddy, can
Freckles.
you from the T-Rex? Look.
Oh, you want the batteries for the
The
T-Rex?
batteries.
Okay, we have to go home and get the screwdriver.
Yeah.
So I brought Nitro's old toy back home to the Philippines. Nitro, you ready? Look, Nitro, look, ready? Oh. Wow. Oh, he's walking. He's walking. It's cool, eh, Nitro? You ready, Nitro? Daddy has a surprise. Close your eyes. Okay, close eyes. Close eyes. Ready? 1, 2, open eyes.
It's
What is it? Look at it.
chocolate.
No, it's not chocolate. Look. It's
Superman.
Superman cape. Yeah, you can wear it. You can be Superman. Look. Oh, you're Superman. Whoa. Wow, Superman.
It's Superman. You like it?
You're
How about
Superman.
Mommy become Superman?
Mommy be Superman?
Yes, you
So-
fly.
I fly. Ready?
Wow, Mommy Superman. Oh.
Oh, look, I'm flying.
I want that, please.
You want that, please?
I want to fly.
You gotta fly, okay. Stand here. You stand here. Yeah, like that. Woohoo!
Whoa,
Look at
Superman! Flying Superman! Nitro, are you happy Daddy's home? Yes? Yeah. You say, I'm happy.
I'm happy.
Alright guys, thanks for watching, and me and Nitro will see you in the next video.
A booty.
Aputik! Alright guys, bye for now. You say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey Dwantro Fam, if you would like to be a YouTube Premium member, check out the link in the description below. As a Premium member, you get to watch videos that we don't post to the public, pang VIP lang. Ayan guys, check that out, link in the description. Thanks for watching at kita-kita sa sunod na video namin. Bye for now.